welcome to the Carnival Celebration, cabin 5322. Let's see what is behind door number 1. All right. When you first step in, off to the left is the wardrobes. The first one has 3/4 hanging. The right side is half hanging. Underneath that is the safe. Then you have these nice, I really like these wire pull-out baskets. And this bottom shelf is the full width, the full depth. And it rolls out and soft closing. Really like that. The other cabinet, I also like these, not gonna crush your fingers when you open and close the door. The other one is similar. 3/4 hanging, but this is on both sides. Storage area down there at the bottom. Moving along here, nice desk area. Underneath the desk, ooh, that was loud. 2 shelves for storage. You have your little cooler fridge, and you have 3 drawers. Top drawer is a half drawer, and you have 2 full-size drawers underneath that. Then you have the ottoman, and the lid on this ottoman lifts up for storage. Really nice and handy there. I'll get to what's behind that door here in just a minute. King-size bed. You have these lights, reading lights, one on each side of the bed. Underneath that is a USB plug. Those shelves, I think you should be able to unhook them and move the bed over this way and put both shelves on that side of the bed over there. If you want to move the bed further away from the balcony there. Now this cabin has a pull-out bed, couch. First time we've had one of these in our cabin. Above it you have another reading light. And working our way back to the door, just inside on the right hand side in this cabin layout is the bathroom. Standard Carnival fare. Now, me and Brenda were talking about this earlier. I wish that and that were reversed. Makes it a little inconvenient when you're seated trying to reach that stuff right there. 2 shelves, double-sided shaving mirror, sink, and there we go. Glass door shower. No shower curtains on the Celebration. I'm going to step inside this just so you can get an idea of the size of this shower. The adjustable shower. Curtain clothesline, that's the word I'm looking for. But this is actually pretty spacious. I'm extending my wings out and I can touch the sides, but there's plenty of room for me to turn around. Bear in mind, Tom is 5'8". 215, depending on how many times I go to guys on this cruise. Shampoo, shower gel. Little shelf there for your hygiene products. The foot bar. I'll step out of this. Close this door. Don't worry, by the end of the cruise I'll have that thing figured out. Now, let's go out that door over there for the reason that we booked this cabin to begin with. On deck 5, cabin 322 is a cove balcony. Balcony doors come with the child safety lock. You twist it to lock it and unlock it. Instructions on how to open the door. This is closed. Down is open. You have to push and watch your step, because that's a pretty high threshold there. Hi. Doors are real heavy. Now, when you step out, here on the balcony area, there's 2 chairs and a metal table, and the chairs are metal. It's pretty spacious. Then there's the water. This is wide open. No obstruction here. When you look up, there's nothing but blue sky and deck 8 in between. But this is the Cove balcony 5322 on the Carnival Celebration. Now we're getting ready to go sail away. Yes, it is that time again. The captain has made his announcements. Lee, our cruise director, has made his announcements. He's went over the safety drill. He's talked about all the important safety things that have to happen before sail away. So now we are going to go out on the balcony.
And sail away.
And we are going to sail away. We'll catch you in a little while.